Hello boys and girls, I'm here for your math lesson, lesson 81. I'm introducing you to comparison symbols. So, comparison, compare. We're comparing two numbers. So, let's take a look. I'm going to draw some pictures and show you the symbols. So, let's say I have some green beans. Green beans look like that, right? Green beans, 1, 2, 3 green beans on this side. 1, 2, 3 green beans on this side. So, I have 3 and 3. You could say that 3 is equal to 3. So, for example, 3 green beans equals 3 green beans. Pretty easy, right? The equal sign is a comparison symbol. So, let's do another one. Let's do blueberries. Let's say I have 5 blueberries. 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries is equal to how many blueberries? 5 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries. 5 blueberries equals 5 blueberries. Do you understand? It's kind of like if we were to say 3 blueberries plus 2 blueberries equals 5 blueberries. 3 plus 2 equals 5. It's the same thing. This side is equal to this side. So what's another way you could set that up? You could say 1 blueberry plus 4 blueberries equals 5 blueberries. So that would be 1 plus 4 equals 5 blueberries. So that equal sign is a symbol saying that everything on this side is equal to everything on this side. Got it? Lock that in there. Now I'm going to introduce you to a different symbol. I'd like you to meet Larry's long-lost cousin. Larry the listener, remember him from our classroom? Larry's long-lost cousin, Al the alligator. So Larry the listener and Al the alligator are cousins. Al says hi. Hello. So Al is a very hungry alligator. He always wants to eat the bigger number. So let me show you. I'm going to put Al down here while I set up my board. Let's say we've got pinto beans. Pinto beans are kind of a brown color. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pinto beans on this side. But what if we only have 3 pinto beans on the other side? Which side is Larry going to want to eat? Will he want to eat the side with 4 beans or the side with 3 beans? Which one will give Larry a fuller stomach? Because remember, Larry's always hungry. He always wants to eat the bigger one. Which one would he eat? Correct. He would eat 4. So our symbol here would be 3. And we always read our number sentence left to right. So we would say 4 is greater than 3. So anytime a symbol is facing the first number, we would say greater than. You see that comparison word than, because these are comparison symbols. So we're comparing 4 is greater than, bigger than 3. Good. So let's try another one. We'll erase greater than. So anytime your first number is bigger, it'll be greater than. Now Larry's got some raspberries. 1, 2 raspberries on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 raspberries on that side. So, Larry, hungry Larry, no, not Larry, Al, sorry. Oh my goodness, you look just like your cousin. Al, the alligator, always hungry. Is he going to want to eat 2 raspberries or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 raspberries? Yep, you got it. He wants to eat 7 raspberries. So, what that looks like is 2. We want to make, this is like a sideways V when you're drawing it. It's like a sideways V. It'd be like if you were drawing an arrow, but without the line. So, the 2, and then the 7 goes on this side. If we're reading this number problem left to right, we would say 2, is 2 greater than 7? Is it bigger than it? No. So if our symbol is facing away from the first number, you would say 2 is less than 7. So 2 is less than 7. It's smaller than. Good. Let's try another. What color? Grapes. We've got some grapes. Let's say we've got 1, 2, 3 juicy purple grapes on this side. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 juicy grapes on this side. Which side does Al want to eat? Does he want to eat 3 grapes, or does he want to eat 4 grapes? He wants to eat 4 grapes. Good. So our sideways V would be facing our bigger number 4. Now we would read this, 3 is less than 4. So remember, if this symbol is facing away from the first number, we know that this number is smaller because it always wants to open and eat the other number. So 3 is less than 4. Good. Now, do you remember when we were doing the equals problem, how I made one side be 3 plus 2 equals 5? I could do that with these problems too. So what if I said 3 is less than 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Isn't that the same thing? 3 is less than 1 plus 3. It's the same thing because these together equal 4. You kind of think about it as 1 plus 3 equals 4. You know how we do our carrots? It's just like that. So, let's try another one where we're doing adding on different sides. I'm going to try to trick you for this one, so watch carefully. Okay. Let's pick a different color. We have oranges now. Let's say we have 2 plus 2 oranges. So that's 2 plus 2. And then on the other side we have 1 plus 1. Where's our symbol going to go? What symbol is Larry going to face? Not Larry. Is Al going to face this side or that side? What do you think? What can you do to figure this out? Did you just say use carrots? You did! Oh, yay! What does 2 plus 2 equal? 4. And what does 1 plus 1 equal? 2. So 4 or 2, which one is Al going to want to face? Which one is bigger? You're right, 4. So Al is going to want to face the oranges on the left. So 2 plus 2 is greater than 1 plus 1, which means it's eating the bigger one. This one is greater than this one. It's bigger than that one. Good. Now, ready to boost you to a new level. I'll keep Larry here. I'll keep Al here. I'm gonna do that all day. Keep messing up Al and Larry. I'm going to make some pickles. So, I have 1, 2 pickles. Let's do 4 pickles. Is greater than 1 pickle plus blank pickles. Now, here I'm giving you the symbol, and you need to come up with a number that can make this sentence work. So, if my Al is already eating a bigger number, a 4, then the other side needs to be smaller than 4. So, 1 plus something, whatever these two numbers are, have to be smaller than 4. So can you think of a number you could add with 1 that equals less than 4? So 1 plus what? Is 3 less than 4? So what about 1 plus 2 equals 3? Does this make it true? Because isn't 4 greater than 3? Yes, what else can we do to make it true? What does 1 plus 1 equal? 2. Is that true? 4 is greater than 2? Yes, yes it is. What about 3? What if I did 1 plus 3? What does that equal? It equals 4. Is that true? Is 4 greater than 4? No, that won't work. You can't have a number that's equal to, because then it would have to be 4 equals 4, which isn't true. I mean, 4 equals 4 is true, but we're using this symbol, so that wouldn't be true. So it has to be a number that equals less than 4. So any one of those ones that we just tried would work. Let's try another one. Peaches. We're going to do peaches. Peaches kind of have that little 1, 2 peaches plus blank peaches. Looks like a face. Is, sorry Al, 2 plus something peaches is less than 3 plus 2 peaches. So 3 plus 2. That's a lot of numbers and a lot of symbols. How are you going to figure this out? Well, Al always wants to eat what's more. So what does 3 plus 2 equal? It equals 5. So if we know that 2 plus something, this number, is less than 5, because we know if Al is eating this number, this is bigger than this. This number needs to be smaller than 5. So 2, it's like thinking 2 plus what equals 5. We can't have it be true, we need it to be one smaller than 5. So it could either equal 4, it could equal 3, it could equal 2, it could equal 1. Well, it can't equal 1 because it already is 2. But it has to be smaller than 5 to make it true. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is. So that will be true. That works. What about 2 plus 1 equals 3? Does that work? Oops, 3 doesn't go there. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Does that work? Is 3 less than 5? Yes, it does. So I hope, I know I got kind of dragged it on at the end there, but this is, there's a lot to do with these, but all you have to know is Al always wants to eat the bigger number. He's hungry. But an equal sign means that both sides are the same number. Same number. So if I did 2 plus 3, this would be 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. That will be true because they would both equal 5. On that note, Al wants to say thanks for listening and he'll see you soon. Toodles!